this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have a phenomenal, quick, go over to Amazon right now. You can get a 35 by 24 inch painting for $16.99 plus 25% off right now. Run over there. I don't know how long it's going to go. I was told by Sander Direct that it's not long. They're going to have something new coming up in September. So quick, run over there if you want to get this painting right away. Yeah. So we're going to dive in. This is from Sander Direct. I have the link down below. Sander Direct has always been good to diamond painters. They do a fantastic job of making sure their product is quality. Oh my goodness, it comes with special drills. Special drills, people, special drills. This is how the drills are packaged. It is round. And the drill quality has always been phenomenal with them as well. If you've seen any of my post reviews, these colors are gorgeous. Look at all these blues and yellows and whites. Super gorgeous. They come in this, I call it a drill train. I'm not going to undo them because this is why I don't work in a factory. I can't put them back together, right? But let's see which painting I chose. There are 3 to choose from. 3. Are you ready? Look at that. Oh, so much blue. So much blue. Are you guys ready? Look how big this is. This is a peacock. Guys, this is $16.99 plus 25% off. It's a 60 by 90 centimeter. 35 by 24 inch. Run while you can. It's 25 colors, and this is what it is. It's a peacock. The symbols are ones and the alphabet, and there's a couple other symbols in there. This is gorgeous. Whoops, there goes the light pad. So here you've got some flowers. You've got the peacock itself. I love that it's poured glue. Oh my goodness. And then here's where all the special drills go. Absolutely beautiful. And any of the dark colors, they've done white. There's no training wheels or dummy circles, so that's going to be great as you put it down. The color in the background is going to show through. This is gorgeous. If you ever go over and see Charlie Wang, he is legit and he is so kind, and the customer service is great. Yes. They also add 20% diamonds, so making sure there's not any missing diamonds. However, if a situation occurs, you say right here, please contact. And they do. They absolutely do. I've done some of their snack size pieces. They're 4-packs. Absolutely great. This looks like a fantastic rendering as well. So head over ASAP. Grab it while you can. I can't say enough about them. They do a phenomenal job. I'm going to stick this in here because otherwise I'm going to lose it. Yes. So there's 3 different options to pick from. So I can't wait to hear what you pick. Run over there right now. I'll put the link down below. Again, if you're watching this a little bit later, it may or may not be there. Because this could be a one and done. So go now. If you're watching this later though, check out Sander Direct, S-A-N-E-R Direct. They do have a store on Amazon, and then you can know whatever diamond painting you see in their store is going to be good quality. It's going to be good quality. They do a good job of making sure their warehouses are on top of it, and they have great customer service. So yes, check them out if you need something quick off of Amazon Prime. Oh, and then there's the toolkit. Here's the toolkit. Almost forgot. So you get wax, a tray, and you get 3 of the single placers with the multi-placers on the end. The only thing I wish they did is change what type of multi-placers they have, because I like the thin ones. Otherwise, your drills get lost. All right, I'm going to leave that out. Okay, so until next time, guys, be blessed. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.